Well, hey folks, this is Dane at JONAH Guitars, and I'm kind of excited. I've got some new tech in the shop here, and I finally bit the bullet and went CNC. So recorded some stuff for you to see. Now I already recorded it, and I gotta say I didn't have 100% luck with it, as most people that are just starting out with CNC, things kind of go wrong, and I really didn't get much work accomplished, but I think I've learned some things. So stick around and check out the new CNC stuff, and yeah, let me know what you think. Thanks. Well, hi everybody, it's Dane at JONAH Guitars, and I'm experimenting with some new CNC stuff, and so I'm just peeling the tape off of here. Stick this down. I got this straight edge clamped back here, and oops, I don't want to lay that there. Straight edge. I got this trick from Dave Rowe over at War Guitars. You can leave this thing clamped up, and then every time you register your part, it'll be back in the same place on the CNC. So anyway, so I got this stuck down good to the table here. Yeah. All right. And so, I'm going to have to turn you off for a second. I forgot something. Okay, I got to set my Z-axis. So here we go. I don't have my computer in this shot, but all right, so I'm good. Got my height set there, and I got all my G-code sent over, and we're good. We're ready to go here. Okay, so here comes the. I'll turn the sound down so we don't get. Yeah, I don't hurt your ears. Here we go. I'm gonna turn the dust collector on and then the saw on, and then we'll get to see this thing go. Kind of screaming over the noise here. This might take about 10 minutes to cut this neck out. This is a template for a conversion neck I'm doing for a fellow. Okay, be patient. I'm gonna go work on something else while this is going. That's one of the advantages to the CNC stuff. Well, I don't know. Shoot, the preliminary run through looked like all the tool paths were right. Everything looked great, but it just didn't do it. So I'm gonna have to go back and double check everything and figure out what's wrong with this thing. I may bring you back in on this, or I'll just show it to you after it's finished. So yeah, this was just going to be a rough cut anyway, but yeah, all right. Let me see what I can figure out. Okay, I got it cut out. The incorrect G-code sequence or something, it just didn't send it over to the machine, so I figured out how to do that. I'm going to go ahead and set it up on my CNC router, and you know, with the template, and it'll follow that around, and everything will work out cool there. So I guess I'm just going to follow this is just a template, but I'm just going to follow this template through the process with the CNC stuff, and then you'll see how it works. It's pretty cool. All right, so now we're set up over here. Sorry, I bumped the camera. Now we're set up over here at the router CNC, and again, I have my straight edge stuck down here so that I can relocate this all the time and be right on. I'm going to stick this down as well. Sorry, I'm sniffling. Seems like any change in the weather and I sniffle. All right, so here we are. Stuck down. And you may, I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, you can notice that this template isn't on, you know, with the head, because this is a conversion neck. So I've actually reduced the length of the neck to be the 22 and 5/8 scale from Gibson. So now I'm once again, well, see, hopefully I can get that. Maybe I'll just have to hold it on. And I think part of what didn't work last time was I forgot that I needed the metal. And so maybe because I didn't have my zero set, it wasn't working right. But anyway, so now I've got that set. And we can go ahead. Now, once again, it's going to get loud because of all this stuff. So I'll just talk over the noise or make a, notation on the video. Well, okay, like last time I was, over on the other side of the shop working on some stuff, and so that was about 10 minutes and absolutely nothing has happened. I guess I'm going to have to just get the directions out and really read these, read the fine print or something, or maybe any of you guys watching will have some ideas on what I can do to make this stuff work. It's just not doing it. If I was the cussing type, I'd be cussing right now. I'm very very upset about this. Really, it's really mind-boggling. This is why I waited so long to get into CNC, because I knew I would just have trouble with the computer and the getting stuff figured out. At least I haven't damaged anything yet. I mean, I see that happen a lot to guys where it just goes wild, and for some reason it just cuts right across something that you don't want to cut in. So at least that didn't happen. So I'm pretty happy about that. Man. All right. Well, hey, if you have any ideas about why this isn't working out for me, just post them in the comments there. I love to hear from you, especially guys that have a lot of experience with this stuff. Yeah, shoot. Well, all right. I think I'm done for the day. I don't know what to do. I guess I'll just go read the book. All right. Sorry, guys. Things just aren't working out today. Take care. Well, I hope you figured out that this wasn't serious. And I also hope that anybody who I mentioned, like Dave, or anybody that's just into CNC, understands that this was just all in fun. And I still haven't pulled the trigger on CNC because I just don't know if I could tolerate the learning curve, and to be honest with you. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. No harm was meant to anybody. I just thought it would be funny. I hope it was. Anyway, take care. Bye.